GCSE Biology. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you will learn about the nervous system. The nervous system. The central nervous system made up of the brain and the spinal cord. The brain is connected to the spinal cord by the medulla, the brainstem. This is the part of the brain that controls autonomous, unconscious, actions like breathing. The peripheral nervous system that controls all responses throughout the body and relays information back to the peripheral nervous system. Neurons are nerve cells. Neurons are made up from a cell body, an axon terminal and a dendrites terminal. The nerve cell is surrounded by a myelin sheath. The axon is a large extension of a sensory neuron that carries impulses away from the cell body. A dendron is a large extension of a sensory neuron that carries impulses towards the cell body. The myelin sheath is a fatty covering around the axons. Speeds up the transmission of impulses and helps to insulate nerves from each other. The point at which two neurons meet. Neurons do not touch and the tiny gap between them is called a synapse. A neurotransmitter is a substance that diffuses into the gap between the two neurons and trigger an impulse to be generated in the next neuron. The sense organs in the body are the eyes, which are stimulated by light. The ear, which is stimulated by sound and balance, the nose, which is stimulated by chemicals in the air, the tongue, which is stimulated by chemicals in food and the air. The skin, which is stimulated by touch, pressure, pain and temperature. The pathway of the nervous system has 3 steps. Step 1. Impulses from a sense organ are transmitted by sensory neurons to the brain. The brain processes this information. Step 2. The brain sends impulses to tell parts of the body to make a response, do something. Step 3. Muscles in the legs and chest react to turn the man and to run away, as well as breath more deeply to run faster.